I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut brittle with honey. Start by lining a baking sheet and measuring ingredients so everything is ready. Heat honey and sugar together over medium heat while stirring until they reach a light amber color, then add butter and peanuts. Remove from heat and quickly stir in baking soda to aerate the candy, spread on the sheet, and cool until fully set before breaking into pieces. Begin by combining honey and sugar in a wide pan and heat gently to prevent scorching. Keep a close eye on color and smell. You want a warm caramel aroma and a light amber hue. Once achieved, stir in roasted peanuts and butter quickly to coat evenly. Remove from heat promptly and add baking soda, stirring to create tiny air pockets. Pour onto your prepared sheet and allow the brittle to cool completely before breaking. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can share more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It picks up stray peanuts and sticky crumbs and responds to voice control for hands-free cleanup. It's perfect for kitchen messes after candy making. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If you have a candy thermometer, use it to target the hard crack stage near 300 degrees F for consistent results. Avoid stirring too vigorously once sugar begins to darken to reduce crystallization risk. If crystallization happens, gently reheat until smooth and proceed quickly. For better texture, let the brittle cool fully at room temperature and store pieces in an airtight container with parchment between layers to maintain crispness and keep humidity at bay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.